Hey guys, renovation update. Sorry it's been a while. There's just been a lot of work done, and so I couldn't really get in there and film. And I still can't get into the garage and film because they're putting in tiles and they're doing some drywall work. So I don't want to breathe that stuff in, and also I can't walk yet. Or I can't walk in there yet. But we're gonna come into the living room, and that's where we're gonna start. And I'm gonna show you. It's gonna look a lot different. So my grandma's moving in tonight, and so we've been moving everything and trying to get everything going. We're going to be hanging TVs up. We got our cabinets and everything down here, and we'll just take a little tour. The lights still aren't put up yet. Those are the last thing that needs to be done. And there's other stuff just like everywhere, just hanging out, just until we have the areas ready to put them. For example, our stacker, washer, and dryer. Unfortunately, we can't put it there yet until the drywall is done, but it should be done by tomorrow, and then we can get the stackers where they're supposed to be. Let's check out the bathroom first, because I really like the bathroom. I think it's cute. So it's a small space, forgive the filming. There's a little towel, toilet paper thing there. There's the shower. Here's the toilet, and as you can see, we put a little ham chop countertop thing here. There's a cute little snowman soap dispenser, the sink, and that's about it. We're gonna put some behind the door stuff, to hang towels and robes and stuff. But the bathroom here is pretty much done. It's, I would say, 90% done. Pending some caulking and pending they're gonna change the light and also change the fan up there. Oh, sorry for the camera. So now we'll continue into the kitchen area. So here's kind of how my grandma has it laid out. So dining table over there by the fridge. This little thing here is to divide the living room area from the actual area where you're going to sit and be able to watch TV from the couch. I think she's going to stack another one of these things on top of it just to have a better wall, like a bigger wall. And then the TV is going to go up there from here. And then on the ground where you see this tape, there's going to be a couch. So the couch will be facing like this, and her and my grandpa will be able to watch TV on that wall. Now we'll continue back to where you see the kitchen. So there's her little table. Internet, phone, and all that shit is in the corner. She's got a little cabinet there. Here's their little ice machine, because they don't like the fridges that make ice, because that shit always breaks, to be honest. Never get a fridge with an ice machine. You're wasting your money. Here's the new fridge that we got for her, and we'll just take a look. It's empty. We just plugged it in like a couple hours ago just to get it going. But it's a nice little fridge. I like it a lot. I like the freezer. There's a lot of space in there. Great. All right, continuing over here, the new oven came. It looks great in my opinion. Oh, there's my reflection in the microwave. It also is awesome. It's old style because my grandma prefers this. She likes the coils, but it's got a bunch of newer type of functions in it, especially for the oven itself, which she appreciates because her old one was very, I don't know, it wasn't modern at all, and it only had one element in the oven. She couldn't bake things properly, so she's super happy about this one. And there's a warmer at the bottom, which is cool. You guys have seen all of this, but basically the main thing down here has been that it's move-in ready, and we kind of brought everything down here. I can't wait to show you when it's not all cluttered and stuff. But I think you can kind of get the gist of what it's supposed to look like down here and how it's going to look. When all the lighting is in and everything is actually, all the touch-ups are done, it'll look really beautiful. I mean, it already looks homey right now. It's very cute, and I like the way everything turned out. So next, let's go check out my grandma's bedroom, because that is completely move-in ready as well, except for the lighting. Because it's really the only thing that has to change in here is the new lights have to go up. But besides that, I'm happy to say that it's pretty much done. The biggest issue and the biggest project was the garage, and that'll be done probably at the end of this month. But luckily, we can get my grandparents moved down here now. All right, so let's go into my grandma's bedroom just through here. Turn the light on, and look at this. Now, I don't know. I'm gonna stand outside in the hallway so you kind of get like a outside hallway view of the bedroom and stuff. She's got these nice blackout curtains so they can sleep with no sun coming through their window. Let's see, and those blackout windows actually can go down so you can let in a little bit of sun. It's kind of cool. Um, but yeah, this is her room. She brought all her dressers down. Well, we helped her bring all that stuff down, and so she's got all her clothes in there now. She's got everything in this bedroom to actually come down and move in here. The only thing we haven't set up is the TV. And the TV is on that dresser right there, but we're going to actually mount it in front of their bed up on the wall so there's more room on top of the dresser. We're trying to mount as much as we can in here for them. Like, for example, we put the mirror behind the door like that only because they wanted a standing mirror, but there's not much room in this room. And they didn't really have enough, excuse me, tongue tied. But yeah, they didn't have much room in their room prior to this room. And so I guess they thought that their room was going to be bigger, but it's not. It's the same size. It's just laid out differently. But they have definitely way more room now because we helped them kind of make the space a little bit more functional. We helped them utilize certain things and put certain things in certain ways. And also my grandparents just didn't know there was stuff like behind the door mirror or, stuff like mounting the TV on the wall. They didn't know that stuff. And now that they do, they're really happy. So the room actually looks clean. It looks tidy. There's a lot of space to move around. And it looks beautiful compared to what it was before. And you guys can go back and watch the old videos, but what a transformation. Anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry about the delay in updates and videos in general. It's just, to be honest, it's been a very, very busy 3-4 months. And now that everything's coming to a close, it's just way, way more busy. And I mean, all the appliances and everything's here, but now we got to start moving stuff like the food into the new fridges and lots of clothing, lots of stuff for my grandparents. And then finally, my wife and I can start arranging upstairs now that the rooms are all empty and it's just us living up there. So it's definitely been an adventure. It's been a lot of work. But thanks for watching.